first step. You get a paper towel, and then cut it in half. So we're getting there. Cut it down and split it apart, so trying to get through the cardboard that's in the middle. So I'll check back in once I get that done. Alright, so I've officially gotten them apart. So I have this that we're gonna make these somehow fit in there, but first I need to succeed on taking out the cardboard in here. So it should be pretty easy, but I can't do it with one hand. So yeah, just wanted to show you the aftermath. Looks like a giant roll of toilet paper. And also I would not recommend getting it with things on it. Alright, so I pulled this up through the middle. Came out fairly easily. So it took some of the paper towel, so we'll use that for something. And then, so then you have this nice little pull, and then we'll pull them from the inside. So I'm gonna try and fit that in there and get my mixture ready, and then I will come back. So I got them cut in half and I stuck it inside my glass jar. I do recommend, like I said before, getting them without this on there, but for some reason all the paper towels are gone. So this is what I have to work with, and this is the first time I've made it, so I would definitely get white next time. I took out the cardboard in the middle, and see I pulled it up a little bit, so that will be my first one that I use. Got T.N. Dickinson's Witch Hazel, Walmart brand distilled water. We've got Thieves Household Cleaner from Young Living, which is amazing if you've never. There's your ingredients. And then here's my mixture from mixing all of those. And then so what I'm going to do is pour this in here. Alright, so we're going to take this mixture right here of all of our ingredients. We're pouring it in here. Okay, here it goes. There's a little bit on the top here, but hey, we'll see. So this is what it looks like. So we'll let it sit there and let it soak down through it. So I got a little bit down there because that's my fault. But so said to let it rest for about 15 minutes, so we're gonna try and do that and see if we can get it. And don't mind the cat growling in the background if you can hear it. So here we are for the mixture in here. Just waiting for it to settle down. Looks kind of ugly on top because I tried to squish it towards the outside. But so don't see any on the outside. So I don't know if I need to make more or what. But hey, it's a good start. First time making it, so yeah. We're gonna see, we're gonna try one. See whether oh, we gotta find the line first. Here we go. So it's a pretty large paper towel. So maybe select a size would be better because this is kind of big, but it's not that big. So I'm just gonna wipe down the counter space. Oh, smells like thieves. If you got thieves on there, should be in an A-OK position. So yeah, I'd say it's a success. Needs a little fine tuning, but overall, good choice.